Hello, coding stars! Welcome back to another fun Scratch adventure. Today we're learning something super important in coding. Data types in Scratch. Why is this exciting? Because understanding data types helps us store, organize, and use information in our games and projects. Stick around until the end because we have a cool challenge for you to try on your own. Ready? Let's get started. What are data types? In programming, data types tell the computer what kind of information we are using. Think of it like different kinds of boxes. Numbers, used for scores, speed, and timers. Text, strings, used for names, messages, and player input. Boolean, true or false, used for game conditions like, did the player win? For example, if we make a score counter, we use a number. If we ask for the player's name, we use text. If we check if the game is over, we use true or false. Now let's use these data types in Scratch. Click Make a Variable. Name it Score. This will be a number. Add set score to 0 when the game starts. Use change score by 1 when the player collects a star. Create another variable called player name. Ask the player, what is your name? Store their answer in player name. Make a variable called game over. Set game over =, false when the game starts. At the end, set game over =, true. Now it's your turn. Try making a game where the player's score changes the difficulty. For example, if the score is more than 10, make things move faster. Give it a try and see what happens. Drop your answers in the comments. We'd love to see your ideas. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome Scratch videos. See you next time, coding stars. Bye-bye!